the history of the Calandra family began in 1958 when my grandfather, Luciano Calandra, immigrated from Palermo, Sicily to New Jersey. He came here with a few dollars in his pocket. He left his entire family and friends in Italy to come here, and he wanted to start his own company. He wanted to start his own bakery. And he bought his first property on 204 First Avenue in Newark, New Jersey, which is still known as Calandra's Bakery. He opened up that bakery in 1962. So he said 1962 was a great year because he opened up our first bakery then, and my father was born then as well.
My name is Thomas Calandra. I'm third generation. I started working in the bakery when I was 12 years old, putting up bread on the shelf, learning a work ethic at a young age. Our bread is made with only 4 ingredients: salt, flour, yeast, and water. Never any preservatives, giving it a texture and taste unlike any other. Our process has been the same for over 60 years. It's very important to keep this process as well as this tradition for the next generation and generation to follow. Because as time goes on, people begin to use machinery, an easy way to produce their bread. But the way of doing this by hand and the time that it takes to produce a loaf of bread is what separates us from other generations and also what separates us from other bakeries. So our ovens are brick oven, turning style ovens. The heat is with 450 degrees, gives it that color and the flavor that you ultimately desire. Our bread is then put in our stores to sell to our customers, and we have a saying that our bread is fresh every hour. If you come into any of our retail stores, you will have a hot loaf to leave with every hour on the hour.
Hello, my name is Luciano Calandra. I'm the youngest member of the third generation. Today, we have 3 retail locations in Fairfield, Caldwell, and Newark. We currently serve to over 700 supermarkets in the tri-state area, as well as sports arenas. As early as I could remember, my father took me to the bakeries as I followed in his footsteps, looking at the shelves of bread and just looking at the bright store of pastries and knowing that I wanted to be a part of this business. As a member of the third generation, it is my responsibility to uphold the same quality and traditions that my grandfather had when he started in this business.